Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today we are explore how to use frame mask for professional poster layout design. Start by creating a new document with your poster size, for example 24 by 36 inches. Use the frame tool to draw placeholders for images in your layout. Drag your photos into the frames. Photoshop automatically clips them. Double-click inside frames to adjust scale and focus on important details. Arrange multiple frames in the layout and use the Align panel to ensure spacing is consistent. Add text layers separately so titles and captions can be edited independently. If